Hi everyone, Tashi the leg. Welcome back to my channel. So today I received one package. Let me unboxing it. Wow, guess what? Wow, beautiful, man. What is this? Let me find it out. Wow, look at this. My goodness, look. A lot of stuff here. So these are the equipments and accessories for my GoPro 8. Alright, let me find out this one. What is this? Okay, let me open this one. Yeah, this is the handle, the tripod for the GoPro. So this one is special for the beach, beach and under the water. So when you use the GoPro under the water, then this is the one, because it has EMG. And this is the strap. Yeah, so actually I have here 52 items, okay? So most of them I don't need, some of them I need. Yeah, this one for the arm. You can put it on the hand. Yeah, you can put it right here. See? Very good. You can put the GoPro here on the top. And a lot of things here, so some of them I don't need it. Thanks for sending me everything. Yeah, they sent me a lot of accessories. They say I have here 56 items. Yeah, this is the most important for me. You see? Wow, this is very long. Yeah, which is great. Yeah, this is very long, which is a good option. Yeah, so I really don't know this much long. Yeah, and this is very light. And it's very short, look. But you can expand it to like, how many inches? I think 25 inches or more. Yeah, this is the most important thing I need. Everything else is useful, but not much. And what is this? Okay, there's another small tripod. Look at this. Oh, this is so small and so cute, right? Wow, very good. Yeah, this one you can bend it like that. Yeah, this is small. Yeah, this is good too. So this is a good option too. If you go to hiking something, so you can put on the rocks and the trees. Yeah, this is a good option too. Yeah, What else? And they sent me some paper here. I don't know what is this for. Small papers. I don't know. Maybe something like sticker. Okay. They sent me some small bag, right? They sent me small bag. That's good. They sent me so many items here. Stickers. You see, it must be for the helmet, something I think. Yeah, lot things. So what else important for me? Let me find out. Oh yes, number 2. This is very important for me. So this is for the dash cam, so you can put it in the car. Yeah, this one useful, and the tripod. And what is this? Yeah, this one's useful too sometimes, you know. I think this one for the body. What do you call? I can put, so this one I can put to my body, right? Then put the GoPro right here. Yeah, sometimes this is useful, I think. Okay, what else? What is this? Yeah, this is a good option too. Yep, I can put on my head. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, only the 4 items are very useful for me. Unfortunately, I need to buy separately. So GoPro I bought, it doesn't come with anything. I bought the GoPro, which is this, but it doesn't come with anything, you know. It comes with only battery and this screw and this cable and this sticker for the helmet and this mouse, you know, and a GoPro itself. So that's all it comes with it, you know. So that's why I bought this one. They sent me many things which is good, but it's not useful for me, everything. Yes guys, thanks for your watching. If you like the video, make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.